Hello everyone, I am back again with the next lesson, Body Fluids and Circulation, chapter 18 of class 11th biology, and we are going to discuss here about blood and various types of fluids present in our body. Okay, so the basic thing, they have just given an introduction to various types of fluid, where they are just telling us that there are two types, mainly two types of fluid. One is blood and the other one is the lymph. So let's start with the blood part. We have to start with the blood. Now children, blood is a special connective tissue consisting of a fluid matrix. Okay, now please pay attention that blood is a type of connective tissue, but it is a fluid connective tissue. Why fluid? Because it flows, it is liquid. So the matrix of the blood is fluid, and that matrix is actually composed of, or it has a combination of plasma and the formed elements. Formed element means the solid elements. So let's start with the composition of blood. You see, first I'll show you the, yeah. So blood is divided into two constituents. One is the cellular composition and the other one is the non-cellular composition. Okay, children. So these two combine together and they form blood. Now, children, the cellular composition means the formed elements, which you call here formed elements. These are the cellular composition. Okay, and the plasma part of the blood here is the non-cellular composition. So whatever it is written in your book, you can write down with a pencil that plasma, on top of plasma you can write non-cellular composition, and on top of formed elements you can write cellular composition. So these are the two combinations which make or which form the blood. Okay, now let me show you plasma. Children, plasma, as you see here, blood has two parts, cellular and non-cellular composition, and I just told you that the non-cellular composition is plasma. Okay, so it ends up here. Non-cellular composition ends up here. There are no divisions further below plasma, you see. So this is the non-cellular composition is only one, and that is plasma. So we are going to discuss about plasma here. Okay, and the cellular compositions contain the cells. So what are the blood corpuscles? Cellular composition are the blood corpuscles. So blood corpuscles are of three types: RBCs, WBCs and platelets. So RBCs yani red blood cells, WBCs are white blood cells, and platelets. Okay. Then children, WBCs are further divided into two types. See, WBCs are further divided into two types: granulocyte and agranulocytes. Then granulocytes are of three types: neutrophil, eosinophil and basophil. And agranulocytes are of two types: monocytes and lymphocytes. So this is a flow chart which tells you about the composition of blood. That means of what is blood made of. Now we will study each and every part of the blood. This was a general picture of the composition of blood. Now we will go deep into each and every part of the blood.